Guys, I got some great news. I even got some better news, and then we got some surprise news. Oh my god. First news. If you guys didn't realize or didn't yesterday, we absolutely destroyed Swifter's chat when we raided him. And we got him to actually see the raid. So it was pretty crazy. That was my goal. Like, I didn't want to tell any of you guys, but that was my goal. My New Year's resolution was to raid Swifter. It was my New Year's resolution to raid him and actually get him to see it, which was crazy. And then this morning I wake up and I look on Twitter and he followed me. That was even crazier. Like, I thought like I had to slap myself a little bit. I had to like slap me in myself. I don't know. I just had to like see if I was awake to see if that was true. And it was true. It did happen. And I was kind of, oh my god. I was like, god damn, I don't know. To me it felt crazy. It just felt crazy. It felt like FaZe Rain or somebody follows you. You know how you feel like when that happens? That's how I felt, because ever since I watch Rise streaming and stuff, I always used to watch Swifter. Like I watch him all the time. Whenever I have free time, I watch him. Like, he's a great guy. And it was crazy to me. Like, he followed me. I was like, oh my god. And then today, I got an offer from Icon Poison, my boy. Shout out to Icon Poison. He invited me to a streaming team. Now, if you guys take a look, if you look at the title of the stream at the top, it should say streaming blah blah blah, Black Ops 2 blah blah blah, and then it says on the name of the team. I actually joined the streaming team. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. I did join the streaming team. Yep. Another thing checked off. And to top it all off, before I started streaming, I talked to Swifter. I said what's up to him. He actually replied to me. I was going crazy. Sub to his channel. So now we got some new emojis. I just have no idea how you put emojis. I have no idea at all.
Emotes? You got like the emotes like on Twitch?
Yeah, I got all the emotes that has to do with it. I just don't know how to use them.
Always call yourself a baller. What the f you?